Okay, guys, I'm live again. I just got back from the vet. I couldn't resist, to be honest with you. Mainly because of this Google Anti-Gravity. So shout out to the guy that was telling me all about the good stuff in the chat last time. Yeah, Google's IDE is here, folks, and I thought I would explore it in this stream slash obviously, of course, Gemini 3. So very, very exciting times right now, guys. Possibly the most exciting time to be in this space. Let me just get the chat up real quick. So this is a huge day for AI. Very, very exciting times ahead for sure. Anti-Gravity from Google has been released, which is very, very interesting to see. Let me just put all chat on so I can see all the chats. Beautiful. So it's only available for Mac. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I have a Mac, so let's download this shit. Oh, it's also available for Windows. Nice. So download for Apple Silicon. Beautiful. Let's just grab this real quick. This is the latest of the latest. I believe this is also free, but we will see in just a second. Okay. So rip cursor, maybe, possibly. We'll see in a second. So let's just get anti-gravity onto our system. Beautiful. Obviously mining at the same time, guys. No XP waste. Hashtag no XP waste. Let's just go Kathy real quick. So what do you guys think about Gemini 3? I'm sorry that I had to go before. I am back now, as you can probably tell. My cat comes first, even on the day of release of Gemini. I still need to look after my cat, of course. What's everyone building? What have you all been building, guys, since I've been gone? I was gone for an entire hour. Okay, so that should be anti-gravity on my computer. Let's see. Beautiful. I do think it's weird that they released it for what's it called? For Mac, but there it is. So we have anti-gravity. Nice. This is the latest in tech. Start fresh for sure. Let's go dark theme, of course. Agent assistant, agent. Oh yeah. We'll never request a review. Perfect. That's what we want. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold, guys. Apparently. Normal or Vim. Let's go normal. Sure. Next. Okay, sign in with Google. Let's go with this one because I think this has a paid account, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll just sign in. You have successfully authenticated. Beautiful. Yeah, I found it. Yeah, I found it. I found it. Thanks to you. Thanks to you, Shara Quiz. Okay, very exciting times. Sure. Okay, beautiful. Look at this, Gemini 3 Pro. We are inside the latest of the latest tech. Let me just open my window, guys. It's getting hot. Need a bit of air to air out this what we're cooking in the kitchen right now. Okay, let's start with Agent Manager. Let's have a quick look. So in the Agents Manager, start agents on tasks like deep research, long-running projects, or background tasks. You can monitor the progress of multiple agents in the inbox and review their work when they're done. So for example, we could say, do some research on something. Money, 200K input, 212 attached money, 200K input. I didn't expect from Google. It is what it is. You know, I don't really care about cost, to be honest with you. Create multiple agents to tackle different tasks in an agent-first UX. Okay. Open remote folder. Yeah, I need to open a folder, so let's just open a folder, I guess. New folder. What's this called? Anti-gravity. Open. Yes, I trust. Allow. Start a new conversation. Anti-gravity. Planning. Agent can plan before executing tasks. Okay. Very interesting stuff. Very, very interesting stuff. Plan to implement Stripe on Convex for me. Okay, cool. So that seems to be going. Come on, don't mess this up. Come on, you can do this. Working. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, quota limit due to model overload. Okay, beautiful. Let's see if we change the model to Sonnet 3 Sorry, Gemini 3 Pro Low. Oh, they've also got Claude Sonnet. That's interesting. It's good to know. Looks like they're not even going to let me access the model for 2 minutes, which kind of sucks, but there we go. Okay, also you can open browser, toggle terminal. Very interesting. Okay, so this does look like a bit of a game changer. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Okay. It's kind of annoying. How do I upgrade? Let me upgrade. I'll just upgrade. I don't give a shit. AI Studio. How do I upgrade? Take my money, please. I didn't actually think that I thought this would work just straight off the bat, but it looks like it's not going to. Google dropped a bomb on the entire AI industry. Yeah. Oh God. One sec, guys. Oh, Gemini getting a cold apparently. Oh. Gemini 3 already made me a SaaS that's generating 40K monthly revenue. Not bad. How? That seems a little bit ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie. How do I give them money? Take my money, please. Oh, it's available in the CLI. I was just trying to get it to work, but it wasn't working before. How do you get it? Like this? Hi. No. How do you get it in the CLI? Please let me know, because I really want it in the CLI, like badly. Overload. Yeah, so it's getting overloaded. Yeah, no, it's not gonna work right now. It's really unfortunate. How do I get back to where I was before? No, it's just not gonna work, is it? Is it good? It does seem very, very good. It doesn't seem to be working right now, though. Let me just reopen AntiGravity. Ah, here we go. Right, beautiful. Okay, so hi. Does it work? What is it? Overload. Okay, beautiful. Let's actually just try following my thing from my school community. I've taken existing web pages made by Codex and used JavaScript to improve it look and feel so much. It's working for me. Okay, beautiful. So I'm just going to go on the school community, guys. I'm just going to grab the vibe coding with Claude stuff, and we will basically run this real quick. So let's just do that. Where's terminal? There we go, new terminal. So rip cursor, by the way. Should I not be inside a folder? Oh, I haven't opened a folder. Okay. There is a quota. Okay. Well, I'd be willing to pay whatever they wanted to let me use it. One second, guys. Just put the school community in there as well, real quick. You can't pay on AntiGravity yet. Damn it. Just take my money, please. Take my money. I'm sure it's to do with Gemini Pro on their website. Yeah, probably. Okay, let's just try and run through this. So, yep. Next.js. Let's just do auth kicks. It's easier. Okay, and then we need a project from Google AI Studio. So I'll just grab one of those. Google's going to make a small fortune off of subscription rebuys for sure. Do you have Gemini Ultra? No, I do not, but I'm willing to pay for it if they. How do I fucking take my money? How do I do it? Please just take my money. Oh, it's that shit, man. CLI works if you have Ultra. How much is it? Fuck. Really? I should probably not be doing that on stream, should I? One sec. Oh, that's me. Hey guys. Hmm. I'm gonna grab Ultra right now. Hang on. No, I won't leak anything, don't worry. I've leaked enough fucking things in my life to not leak this. Just 2 seconds, guys. Let me just verify this payment. Oh, that's a big payment. Just take my money. Take it. Take all my money. Anything for the content. Make sure you update to 1.6.0. Yeah, I will. I don't mind anyway. I don't mind. It's not really for the CLI. I need Ultra right now. Okay, subscribed. Go to Gemini Ultra. Now we know. I still can't use 3.0. That's crazy. Okay, rip my money, rip my bank. I noticed you installed multiple Gemini CLI brew, and you might have conflict there. Yeah, I'll sort that out. CD dot dot. See. Kind of cooking right now. Hi. Oh, okay. Now we're cooking. Biotechnology. Huh? What biotechnology? The fuck do you mean, brother? Ah, it works, it works, it works. Okay, so MKD, Gemini 3 Ultra, CD, Gemini 3 Ultra. No, sorry, let's do that. There we go. Okay, I'm now officially inside Gemini CLI with the latest model. I'm just going to grab this, guys. I'm just going to really quickly change the thumbnail because it doesn't seem to be doing that well. You've always got to be keeping on top of that kind of stuff with a YouTube channel. So we'll just grab, go to Canva real quick. Juju, exactly. That means I need to mine, guys. Let me just quickly change this back to what it was earlier with a little bit of a sprinkle of a difference. No, 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 no. 5 a.m. today, Jesus. What the hell was I doing at 5 a.m. today? As if I was making a video, that's crazy. Okay, restore. And then I'll change to, oh, what the fuck is that? Well, needs to be more zoomed in. Let's zoom down. Sorry about this, guys. Just give me 2 seconds. I'll just put a little red circle there as well. Red circle. Yep, that's good. Oh, yeah. I changed the title to CLI as well. I'm probably going to use the CLI over AntiGravity. So if you're here for AntiGravity, then I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I'd rather just use this instead, to be honest with you. I love CLIs, so okay, let's just download that. Download. This is YouTube behind the scenes, guys. Epic behind the scenes content. I need to get rid of some of these tabs real quick. Wait. Things are getting mad over here. Just need to bear with me for 2 seconds, guys. Just way too much shit open. It's out on OpenRouter as well, so I might do some building on OpenRouter too. On what's it called? In fact, just for you guys, I'm probably gonna run that real quick. So let's just actually start that. I'm just gonna open Visual Studio Code real quick. Wait, I need to change my thing. That's the whole point of what I was just doing. Go live. Am I still live? Yeah. Okay. Edit. Let's get rid of free. Okay, wait. Sorry that I keep doing that with my throat, guys. I just suddenly got a cold from earlier. It is fucking freezing in Ireland, guys. Do not move to Ireland, trust me. It's so cold. I'm from the UK as well, so I should not be cold, but holy shit, this is a cold country. Okay, that's good. Okay, so just for this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this test, RQ, real quick. I'm curious to see how this will do. So Visual Studio Code, let's open a new window. Let's see if Roo or normally Kilo is pretty fast. Uh, so let's just go to Kilo. Let's see if it's already updated the models. Gemini 3. Yep, nice. Save. Save, done. Gemini 3 Pro preview, beautiful. Did you try AntiGravity? I just wanted to test it, but it keeps saying I hit the rate limit. Yeah, me too. That's why I'm not using it. I can't be fucked doing a stream where it's just me struggling with whatever it's called. So we'll call this Kilo Gemini 3. Hey Kenrick, how's it going, dude? Okay, let's jump in here and we'll just feed this prompt to Gemini. There we go. What is this? Index error. Okay, I don't really care about that. Okay, and then we'll send that. So while we're doing everything else, I'll keep an eye on that at the same time. It is a bit disappointing that I couldn't run AntiGravity, but that's fine. Just definitely check out AntiGravity though, guys. It looks pretty interesting. Okay, you can see that the thumbnail has made a huge difference already. Crazy how much of a difference those things make. Okay, so while Visual Studio Code is running, I don't care about cost. Just drain all my money, honestly, don't care. Let me just make sure. I just need to give it some credits, guys. Just give me 2 seconds. Don't want to show you my bank details. Obviously, that would be stupid. So let me just give OpenRouter some credits just to make sure that it is not going to run out. So I'll just give it $20. If you can't build that with $20, it's not worth using, in my opinion. So anti-gravity is rate limiting for sure. I noticed that too. Okay, but we do have the CLI right here, and this is Gemini 3 Pro preview. It should be anyway. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do my standard build. So I'm just going to go to vibe coding here. npx create convex. By the way, Kenrick, thank you so much for telling me to use convex. It's absolutely insanely good. I love it. Well, I think I'll just use authkit because it's just easier and quicker. Normally I use clerk, but right now I'm just going to skip forward and not use clerk. Yeah, convex is so good. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so this is we're officially using the latest model of Google. So let's do cd my app npm run dev, create a new project, Google Gemini 3 cloud deployment. You do have to do this as a prerequisite, just so you know, guys. It's not going to work otherwise. Okay, we got that running. Beautiful. Now we just quit out, and then we do cd dot dot. Then we do Gemini. You have to use a personal account and now workspace. I'm not sure for Ultra. I don't actually know. I just paid 120 bucks for it though, so rip. Inside. No, wait. Sorry. What am I doing? I've got all of this here in my school community. So I need a Google AI project. So let's just go to AI Studio. That's my RuneScape telling me I'm AFK. I'm doing a few things at once here, guys, as you can probably realize. Is it doing it? Yeah. So we'll grab a random project. Let's go to build. We're already on build. I'm on the wrong project. So switch account here. Let's go to Shopify surfers. I'm not sure how it works, City Square. I'm just doing whatever I can right now. No, this is too simple. Okay, sure, this will do. So we'll just download this project. And then we have something to feed into Gemini, CLI. I want to know how much better this is than Claude Code now. So let's see. There we go. Would you recommend to use that is cheap and with lots of prompts, Windsurf or something else? I'm not really sure. Probably Gemini CLI right now, but I mean, I'm about to test it, so it's kind of hard for me to pass anything on right now. You're using Gemini's 2.5 on CLI, you need to go to /settings. I mean, it does. Oh, yeah, sorry, you're right. You are right. My bad. I forgot to write. You don't have to do settings, but you can see it says 3 preview here. Thank you for reminding me though, because I was just about to make a fool of myself. I appreciate you. Okay, that should be good. It shouldn't need anything else. Oh, what? We need unknown command. Go on with it. Eh? Oh, because it's got a slash at the bottom at the start. Dumbass fucking UI UX, honestly. Oh my god, you can't press down, but you can go up. That's crazy. There we go. Okay, that's running. This is running. Yeah, because it started with slash. Yeah, I worked it out. Thanks, though. I appreciate you. Okay, we've got 2 projects running here, costing me a lot of money. I will spend money, guys, so you don't have to. It does seem quite fast. How can I run YOLO mode on Gemini CLI YOLO mode? Or why? Oh, yeah, YOLO mode. Beautiful. Oh, please, why do they tasting the snozzberries? Why do they have to do this to me? I hate that shit, honestly. Burn all of that shit. I hate it. Just give me just code. I don't need you to be clever. Just code for me. Yeah, Gemini-Y. You can also do Control Y apparently, which is what I just did. So we're using Gemini 3 Pro Preview. Our hamsters are working as fast as they. Why? Why do you have to try to be funny? I hate that shit, honestly. Ha 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 ha. So funny. Like, can you code? I don't care about your humor level. That's not a bug. It's an undocumented feature. Ah! Just shut up. I hate that shit. Honestly, I hate that shit. I will be able to tell you guys instantly if this is better than Claude Code or not. Instantly. Literally within the first few seconds. Everybody likes Snozzberries, yeah, except me. I did not mean to click that. Is it? How is that funny? That is not. That is objectively not a funny joke. Why did the computer go to therapy? It had too many bytes. It doesn't even make sense. I love watching you talk to AI in real time. You sound just like me. Thanks, Carlos. Well, I like it. It's funny. It's not really funny, but it's subjectively not funny then. Slapping the bass or bass. I don't know. Funny, Sonnet 4.0 is a new model to remain on top of the Gemini 3.0 in SWE benchmarks. Yeah, I saw that too. I did see that too. Pretty interesting. Then again, we don't know if SWE is the only thing that matters. So this right here, I'm just running my normal bog standard. What's it called? Benchmark, just to see how it builds. I'm doing like 10 things at once here, guys. I apologize. I'm really curious to see the UI UX here. That's the main thing. Can it do good UI UX? Running sudo make me a sandwich. Is that funny? That's objectively not funny, right? Anthropic figured out one thing and did it really well. Lol. Even Google's like, okay, we see. Yeah, no, I agree. Anthropic did. Also, Anthropic are the innovators. They did MCPs. They were the first to do terminal, CLI, all that good stuff. Now everyone is copying them. Yeah, it's not that expensive. 093, true. That's actually not that expensive. I would have expected it to be more expensive than that. God knows how much I've spent here. They did finally get me to subscribe to Gemini Ultra, so shout out to Google finally making me pay 120 bucks. I mean, I already owe them 5,000, but we don't talk about that, guys. We do not mention that ever. Oh God. Fun fact about MCP, they said they are not so good. Yeah, I don't like MCPs, to be honest with you. But they were the first ones to do it, so they did innovate. They are, I would say that they are the innovators, honestly. Trying to exit Vim. This seems pretty good so far. Kilo is done, no? Oh, is it? No, not yet, not yet. It'll take a bit of time. It's quite a complicated prompt. And also, Kilo likes to go kind of in circles at times. It's almost done, though. Oh, no, it spent more than 006 and 0010. It's all right. We'll see how it goes. Let me think. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Great to see a lot of people in the stream again. I love streaming. I'm not gonna lie, it's my passion. I saw it and running npm run build. Yeah, I was probably just testing, to be fair. Let me see something. I can normally tell just by looking at the at something like this that yeah, no, it's not. This is not very complex. Yeah, this is not going to be a very good build. I can just tell. Oh my god, the code is not very good here. What a shame. I deactivated the MCPs to free up space and put in Sonnet 4.5. If you want to use an MCP, tell me and I'll activate it. Works like a charm. Interesting. Yeah, they tend to bloat. That's why I don't use MCPs actually. Oh, is this done? Okay. Maybe it's going for minimalist style. You never know. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, it looks like it's extending it quite a lot here, which is good. No, start it for me, you lazy twat. Well, like, come on, bro. Did you forget how to run npm run dev for me? This is interesting. The contexts were just at 100. Did you see that? 100% left. Very interesting. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. This might not work, by the way, just because I'm on HTTP. Sometimes WorkOS doesn't work on HTTP. Oh, it did. Oh, wow. Okay. And then let's just say this, for example. Um, remove the background and replace with a blue background. Enhance image. Oh, no, it won't work because I haven't set the Gemini key. That's fine. Okay, well, it seems to be working. This is a pretty good build, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Considering how quick that was, Yeah, it did. They tried to copy the styling of the other pages for sure. This shouldn't be working though. I don't understand how this. Oh yeah, it's not set. Right. Set my API key plus. Uh, 1 second, guys. Let me just get an API key. Can Gemini CLI use Gemini AI Pro subscription? Yes, I believe so. Okay, copy API key, paste. Just keep mining, just keep mining. Let's have a look at the data here. Numbers project. Their CLI acts the same as the others. Yep, for sure it does. Guys, if you want to support me as a YouTuber, if you find my content useful, or if you want to learn more about vibe coding, please check out the link that I've pinned in the chat. It is a link to my Skool community. The more people that join the Skool community, the more time I can spend streaming and doing things that I enjoy, other than instead of working, basically. Let's see if this works first time. This would be a very successful porting if it works first time. Let's see. Wow, okay. It worked. So normally, guys, just so you know, I would normally do an entire project and it would not immediately work. Have you tested anti-gravity? I was supposed to be testing anti-gravity, but I didn't. Okay, I can't actually click my projects. Let's just go to /dashboard, view my projects. Okay, right. So this is a decent start. I need you to do a full landing page for the homepage and also for the dashboard / projects. The projects need to be clickable. Please make me a stunning, beautiful, amazing, modern, modular homepage plus dashboard. Okay, but what I will say, guys, I know that this is quite basic, but it has done a complete build with the database fully working, right? Which is actually kind of rare. It did it. Oh, nice. Show me. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Nice. How did it do that? Claude Code is amazing, guys, honestly. You use Claude Code with Tmux. No. Tell it to use a better color palette. Okay, wait. Oh shit, wrong fucking thing. Use a better color palette, you piece of shit. Sorry, AI. I'm gonna be the first to go when AI takes over. They're gonna be well annoyed with me. they're gonna take me to the fucking cleaners, guys. I'll be the first on the chopping block, honestly. They hate me. AI must hate me. What is Tmux? I don't know even know what is Tmux. I have no idea. Yep. Yep, I don't use Tmux. I should. I'll be the first to go when AI takes over, guys. Oh, can she get out? I'm on. No, okay. Thank you, Purple. Just pisses me off because of what. Yeah, I know. I agree. That's actually why we went for something completely different. If you look at, for example, CEO prompt.ai, this blue. I do like this blue actually. This is something that I made with Claude Code. Similar project to what I'm doing now. I'll see you on that chopping block, buddy. Hell yeah, dude. Wait, what is my thumbnail on this stream, guys? Oh, hey, bro. Let me just double check what the hell I'm actually streaming, guys. Wait, where is my stream? It's here. Okay, is it this? Is this the thumbnail? Oh, I'm AFK. Sorry, RuneScape. Sorry. I'm mining. It's an AI Studio. Yeah, I've been using an AI Studio, but I'd rather use the CLI, honestly, guys. I do love CLI stuff. Yeah, it's the correct thumbnail. Perfect. Just join the stream. Is it as good as Claude Code? I think Claude will be better for vibe coding. It just goes above and beyond like no other model. Well, we'll see. It's going to take some time for the bandwidth of Gemini to kind of expand a bit, right? Okay, this is almost done. This will be a very good test of how good the model is. If this isn't an insanely good UI UX, honestly, Gemini 3 might actually be a bit of a disappointment. But what I will say is its technical ability to build seems extremely good. To be fair, Gemini's cooking for me right now. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of cooking for me too. The main thing I'm looking for is like technical build. Like, I'm actually not that bothered about UI UX. It doesn't bother me as much as the technique that oh, there's a sandwich by the way in the microwave, tuna sambo. I'm not that bothered about like the UI UX. I'm more bothered about technical building, to be fair. What I'm seeing, you give it screenshots of images you want and it can copy it really well. I mean, that's a very, very good thing. I got it on GitHub Copilot Pro plan now, still testing. Let me know how it goes. Looks like we got a full build here. So let's see. Almost full build. It looks like it just failed. npm run build still failing. Manifest.json is missing. Bro's still playing the game, of course, dude. No XP waste. You gotta be mining while you do everything, guys. Oh my god, is that the COX pet? Yeah, dude, nice. I just joined second stream. What are you making? I'm just testing Gemini 3. Do you know about the new IDE by Google, AntiGravity? Yeah, I checked it out, but they're rate limiting right now. I have it open here, but it's they keep rate limiting me. I don't have time to be rate limited, so. Also seems super slow as well. I'll definitely be checking it out off stream, but I just don't want to get stuck in a stream where I'm waiting for something to work that's never going to work, basically. Let us see. This is almost done. I feel like getting Claude Code to fix this would be the way to do this, but I just tried Gemini 3 Pro on Figma and it seems really good at UI. Yeah, that's what everyone is saying. Everyone's talking about the UI UX of it, to be fair. Okay, that looks like, oh no, almost compiled. Okay, that looks like it. I know, almost compiled again. You know, for a product used by Google and Google's AI, you wouldn't expect rate limiting. It's just because it's a newly released model. Like the model was released literally like 2 hours ago, so it's probably just struggling to get off its feet, basically. Little feetsies. I wouldn't expect it to be too badly rate limited tomorrow. How are you feeling about Gemini 3 so far? Good and bad. I think that tomorrow will be better, but within 2 weeks it'll be shit. So just 100 requests for $20 plan. Yeah, that's pretty trash, to be honest with you. Compiled successfully? Nope, still got problems. Yeah, that is pretty low, isn't it? Coffee? Oh, yeah. So much coffee is drunk in this house, guys. Jesus. Oh, too much coffee, one might say. Can you have too much coffee? Is that a thing? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Candy. You causing trouble? Huh? Yeah? Oh, there we go. The pages have been created. 108 pages created. Beautiful. That looks like it's actually done. Finally. Jesus, that took a little bit of time, but that's okay. This is officially going to be the first time I see Gemini 3 UI UX. So we'll see how it actually did, and I'll let you know how much it cost as well, because that's obviously important. So let's go to credits here. Oh shit, it did cost money. It cost a lot of money. It cost about $13. Jesus. Yeah, just be patient with Google, guys. Right now, people are probably getting hired and fired by the millions inside Google, inside the Google headquarters. People are probably going fucking insane right now. So just give them a little bit of time. I doubt that the rate limits today will be the rate limits tomorrow. And was the door closed? Just give them a bit of time, honestly. There's probably a load of interns that have just been put on the chopping block, literally and metaphorically. So they're probably out the door already. Earlier when I went on their thing, it was down. Let's see if it's up now. Wait. So AI Studio. Where was it? Dashboard. Try Gemini 3. Is this up yet? Yep. Okay. So they obviously, whoever did that originally has been fired and replaced with someone who's not an idiot. So images, media resolution, PDFs, video. Interesting. Your toilet would say yes, there is such a thing as too much coffee. This seems very expensive to run. Their API costs are wild. Yeah, they are. This is pretty cool though. Look, we can basically take this one page and build literally anything. So video, text heavy. This Python SDK is looking really, really nice actually. I'll definitely be checking this out. Still not building. Very close to being built though, this time. Cheers. This is still building, Jesus. Okay, there we go. It's added a bit more content. That's good. Candy. Kibble. Oh shit. Yeah, we owe the money. Yeah, we owe Google 2 grand. For fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. Someone's got to pay that eventually. Jesus. It says they're going to take us to court. We'll pay them the day before they take us to court. Candy. APR costs are high, but I think it's still cheaper than Opus. No, it is significantly cheaper than Opus. Is it better though? That's the question. Still hasn't actually shown me anything yet. I've been streaming for how long have I been streaming? I've been streaming for 45 minutes. I still don't have anything yet. What will be exciting to see is how the model handles 50% context being full. If it can still function well, unlike most models, when that's full, it'll be a game changer. True, 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 true. Very true. Yeah, Gemini equals money. Yeah, true. Do you like it then, Kenrick, or do you mean it's expensive? Candy. What the fuck is this doing? Use Gemini as your lawyer for court against Google. Now we'll definitely lose. We just legit owe them two grand. Like, there's not much I can do about that, unfortunately, except pay them. Is Google AntiGravity any good? Should I install it? I haven't really tested it yet because I got locked out, but I'll be testing it off stream later for sure. Oh, interesting. Oh no, yeah, no, sorry about that. You're burning a lot of money. Yeah, I can see that. Oh yeah, Bernie. Rather me than you, mate. Rather me than you. If you had to bet, you think when Opus 4.5 is released, it'll top Gemini 3 in the coding benchmarks? I saw 30 testing a model already. I think they're going to come out soon with a new model. I know I have not tried it yet. I'm looking at my interaction with the site. I don't have time. I'm too busy building. I'll try later. Yeah, fair, dude. That's a legit answer right there. What the hell is it doing? Like, bruh. I think even I could build this more quickly, and I can't even code. Like, come on, man. This should not take this long. What you building, Kenrick? By the way, I love Convex, dude. I absolutely love it. I fucking love it. It's so nice. Oh, it finally built. Okay, I can finally see some UI UX. I can finally see some UI UX, right? Please. Oh, okay. Kind of shit. Why is it so little again, man? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. This is not that good. I don't know. I was expecting way more. Yeah, same, Kevin. I'm just thinking the same. Why did they do this to me? I really thought this would be amazing. I might as well just go to bed. Ola.sh. No, I would happily use an alternative to Stripe. I hate Stripe. Mm-hmm. 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 Interesting. Yeah, guys, this is fucking trash, right? This is really bad. I'm not gonna blow smoke up anyone's ass. This is really bad. I think I could have fucking done better than this. I'm not even a coder. Crazy work. Okay, so that's a 3 out of 10 maximum. It's got one more chance to impress us here. I use paddle over stripe. Interesting. This code is poorly written. Polar is cool. They just take more. They take a bigger cut. There's also polar complex component. Interesting. Let's see dashboard real quick. I can't even log in. Lol. I can't even fucking log in. Like, crazy. Nah, this is such a disappointment, man. Can you let me log in, please? Crazy. Can't even. Okay, it's got one more chance to blow us away, guys. Oh my god, what has it done? It's just deleted everything. Oh my god, what is it doing? I'm so confused. Rip Gemini 3, right? I don't know what is going on. Why does this have lines to everything? Someone in Google has to be fired for this. Relax, man. Jesus. Maybe we should get Claude Code to fix it. Oh, I'm so disappointed. Like, literally, I was just really am disappointed. That's just not what I was expecting. Yeah, I know. Obviously, it depends on your prompt as well, but I'm just, I'm just surprised. Honestly, GLM does better. All right, let's see if we can get this to work real quick because for some reason this has lines through everything. So okay, this does work. Uh, what the fuck is this? None of the buttons work. The slash it doesn't work. Oh, it does. Have you tried Google Anti-Gravity? After seeing what I'm seeing now, I'm probably not even gonna bother. Bro, what the fuck, man? I was so hyped for this. It was getting overloaded. Is this Gemini? Yeah, literally. Bro, this is one of the worst designs I've ever seen. Am I getting trolled? None of the buttons even work. Oh my god. I was so hyped up for this. Actually, I'm so disappointed, man. I'm actually so disappointed. Did I do something wrong? I mean, you guys all saw what I did. I didn't do anything wrong. This was just a standard prompt. How much did that cost me? I mean, obviously this is just one test, but I mean, it cost me $15 as well. Fucking hell. Now, I don't want to shit all over the model, but Jesus, like, that is bad, bad, bad UI. Is this the wrong thing? Nah, it's literally the right thing. What the fuck is this, man? Is there like a problem or something? No? It's either being overloaded or they've just released something that's trash. Yeah, do we? It's the same. It's the same prompt. Yeah, maybe it doesn't work 100% right now. Possibly Fat J. It was. I think it was Opus 4. I can't remember. My dog makes better UI. Awesome slop tech. Yeah, I mean, my cat could probably do a better job by running over the keyboard for 3 hours. Crazy, man. What the fuck, dude? Okay, let's see if we can even log in to this one real quick. Okay, we are logged in. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, I mean, it's not terrible, right? It's not the worst thing we've ever seen, right? 43 problems. Yeah, we don't talk about that. I heard they may be releasing more Gemini 3 models. Gemini 3 is a total mess. I just tested it. It's complete garbage. I am super disappointed, but I'll give it a bit more of a chance in a bit. Like maybe it'll be better later or oh, let's run a lint error check. Let's see what the damage. I wouldn't even want to. I'm actually so disappointed. I mean, I will say one thing: the technical build of this thing here is pretty good. I will say that this is a decent build, okay, in terms of how quick it was. But I mean, I'm just clutching at straws here because overall, this is a fucking terrible job. Terrible. There's an error there too. Jesus. Technically, the technical implementation is decent. This is Gemini 3, unfortunately. Yeah, it was riff inequality like hour after launch. I saw that too. It was really, really good for an hour or so. This is good. This is decent. I do like this upgrade. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. I had such high expectations and they've been dashed. This just doesn't look good at all. It's a really short homepage. The colors are pretty good. Technically, the build does work. Yeah, I did test it an hour ago. It was fine. Try building something in AI Studio. I saw people doing there pretty amazing things, and it was good. Yeah, I mean, AI Studio, I agree. It does seem better in AI Studio. To be fair, I won't lie to you guys. It does seem better here. Um, let's just. What was one of my prompts I just did? Oh, yeah, overloaded C9 AntiGravity. Yeah, for sure. It seems like it's a bit fucked, honestly. Someone showed me this. This is pretty cool. Wait, where's the? Like, this is definitely cool. You're gonna see me without a beard here, guys. Don't freak out too much. It did make this apparently, which is pretty cool. But I bet you couldn't recreate this now, right? All they've done is they've just released this and then been like, "Oh, look what you can maybe build." I don't know. Absolute trash, honestly. I'm really, really disappointed. What is SPDX? I bet if you tried to do the same thing, let's try and repeat the same thing. So let's go build, make me a webcam tracking game where hold your left and right hands up and wait, there is high and low thinking mode. Yeah, I use both and hit things like Fruit Ninja. Sure. You're disappointed with Gemini 3. I'm extremely disappointed, guys. I just built something live in front of you all, and it did not have the oomph that we were all expecting, let's be honest. Extremely disappointing result. Let's see. I reckon it might be better in AI Studio. This is the last test I'm going to do. If this is a complete failure, I'm just going I'm going to go cry upstairs. I'm going to go cry upstairs all night. It seems pretty garbage, but we'll see in a second. I'm going to try and recreate the application that they are claiming that makes. What they've done is they've basically released a few things as things that Gemini has apparently coded, and that's why everyone should respect Gemini. I'm not feeling it though. Is it not better than Sonnet? I mean, I wouldn't say so in its current format. It might be overloaded. They might have had to like literally change YouTube title of the video you posted. Oh yeah, true. I mean, the problem is the content of the video is different, right? Because I was kind of expecting it to be good, and I showed that it was good in the video, but now we can see that it's not good. I can't really go back and change the video, right? That's the problem. I'll just have to leave the video. It is what it is. Benchmarks are bullshit. That's why. What they do is they train models to pass benchmarks specifically. It's pretty standard practice. You see it all the time. It's bullshit, actually. It could be overloaded. Yeah, I'm going to assume, I'm going to give Google the benefit of the doubt. Like, literally, what could have happened is they could have, like, their entire infrastructure might have just exploded because of how many people were using it. I'm going to guess that's what happened, but I don't know. I just don't know, honestly. I'm just really disappointed so far, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see if it can recreate something simple. I had too much coffee, guys. Jesus. Nah, benchmarks are bullshit. I don't. I like. You could just train your AI to basically pass benchmarks, right? Yeah, I'm still waiting on Kimmy to pay me. Kimmy said that they would what? Oh. Kimmy said they would pay me, but they haven't. So I'm not doing a video on them until they pay me. I would have done a video on them, but they reached out and said they would pay me. Let's see if this works. It can't be that bad. I saw a Greg Eisenberg and it seemed to perform pretty well. I mean, yeah. Let's see if this works. Allow enter Jojo. Okay. Okay, well, that doesn't work at all, but fair enough. What is the AI powered part of this? Slice again. No, doesn't work, doesn't slice. 19 errors. Jesus. Doesn't work. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good thing to check, actually. What is it? Google, no, Alphabet, stock price. Doesn't seem to have had a big impact, to be fair. I mean, at least it kind of got the idea that I was going for, but it didn't. It didn't really work properly. And then it had 19 errors in it, which is crazy. I'm going to assume that it was just overloaded, and the second that they released it, they had so many users that it just exploded. I actually just upgraded to Ultra, so I'm using the $200 plan. This one is using Open Router. Yeah, honestly, I think if I use Gemini 2.5 Pro, it would have been better. Yeah, give it a day. I am going to give it a day. I'll be back tomorrow probably for more tests, etc. But if it's anything like this, I think we're disappointed, honestly. Yeah, I'm really not sure, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe it's overloaded. Maybe the servers exploded or whatever. This was Codex. I think this looks much better, to be honest with you. This is definitely better, right? Yeah, I reckon it was already nuked. I'm really not sure. Calm down, bro, with that subscription. Um, I don't know what that means. I can't even seem to use it in Gemini. Why does it give me the option? Which AI makes best UI UX in your opinion? Probably Codex from what I've seen, to be honest. Codex or Claude Code. I was hoping Gemini was going to change that, but yeah, I mean, I guess it hasn't. Oh, what's that? Oh, more than 200k tokens is actually $18. Crazy. I'm going to bed. Night boundary. Guys, I will say I'm a little bit disappointed. We'll probably be back tomorrow for some more tests, to be honest. I'm going to stop streaming now because this is not what I was expecting. I really thought this was going to be a game changer, but it needs better prompt. The problem is, right, if I gave the same prompt to Claude, like literally, I might just do that just to prove you wrong real quick. CD dot dot. Um, Total tokens 5.4 million. That's crazy. Hamish, are you Scottish? That's a classic Scottish name. Kind of like how Seamus is classic Irish name. I'm not Scottish. I probably have Scottish heritage because my surname is Scottish, but I'm not actually Scottish. I'm British. I'm from Yorkshire. It's still in testing phase, bro, for a long time. I don't know. That seems like cope to me. What does that even mean, testing phase? Thanks for dealing with this for us. I was about to download everything and dive in, but glad I didn't waste my time. I'll wait a few days. Thanks again. It's only, yeah, thanks, Ray. It's released only on AI Studio for now. That's not true. It's released on Open Router, for example. You can see it right here. It's released on Gemini CLI. It's not true that it's not only in AI Studio. That's not correct. Literally, if I give the same prompt that we gave before to Claude Code, oh, preview. Yeah, but I mean, that's cope again. Like, what does preview even mean? Preview is just cope. It's just like we don't want to admit that this is the best that we've got, so we'll just call it preview. That's all it means. So we'll get the same prompt that we gave to Gemini 2.5 Ultra. Sorry, preview to Claude Code, right? I got it on web chat too instead of Gemini 2.5. It was says thinking and Flash. Yeah. What do you guys think of Gemini 3? I'm pretty disappointed, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I was really expecting better things. I'm already back to Claude Code. Look, it's crazy. We can give the same prompt here as well, just in case. Maybe it's just a case that we'll give it one. We'll give it another chance here too. May as well. So planning no fast. Sure. Oh wait, I need to change my account. So sign out. Sign out. Log in with Google. This one is my Ultra account. Tried to one-shot Mario game HTML, disappointed with what I saw here from your testing. Yeah, I mean, definitely check things out for yourselves as well, guys. Don't just take my word for it or my tests for it, I guess you would say. Can I not even sign in now, please? Okay, nice. Fast, yeah. We'll go with low. Low should just be as good. Let's see if this thing can handle things better. This is their new IDE. So we'll compare this to Claude Code. It looks like Claude Code has decided to scaffold. Yeah, it's scaffolding. That's absolute cope, Vertex. It's absolute cope to say that. You shouldn't let companies get away with that. It literally says preview. Like, what does that even mean? When they released 2.5 preview, it was fucking insane. Don't let big companies cope. What do you mean? So if I do, a SaaS and then, write beta in the title of the SaaS, does that mean it can be trash? Hey, bro, Striper Paddle and why Shopify? I love Shopify, personally. I really like Shopify. It's really, really good. Yeah, I think it might still cook as well. I guess we'll see. I'm going to test it out here as well. Do you have to combine these? Not sure. They all look the same. All look like fork of VS Code. This is probably a fork as well, yeah. What do you mean? I literally am paying you $200 a month. Nah, bro. What? I'm paying you 200 fucking dollars. You better work, you piece of shit. That's crazy. I can't even use it. That's crazy, bro. What is this game you keep jumping to? I'm really confused. It's called Old School RuneScape. Um, I just have to play. It's like it's in my blood. Don't worry about the Old School RuneScape. It's not worrying about you, so don't worry about it. I got my rock golem pet yesterday, guys. 1 in 500,000. Just saying. Okay, seems to be running. There's no way that I'm paying this $200 a month and it doesn't work, right? It gives different quality every time I rerun the prompt. Interesting. Again, this is very short amount of data. Classic. I can just tell this is going to be bad already. Maybe say something you are from Liberia or India that maybe that works better. Maybe. Bro, I was coding WordPress directories with Codex and Claude pretty fine, but Gemini was so bad at it. Doubt 3.0 will change things. Interesting. We will give this one more try just because, I may as well. I'm streaming, so I'm not going anywhere. Hilarious. It looks good to me. What does? Old school RuneScape or what? Okay, let's just keep pressing accept all. Please work. Please, 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 please. Maybe if I just keep saying please. Okay, so this is the latest. This is AntiGravity, which is pretty interesting, to be honest with you. No, you can't post links, unfortunately. It's not because of me. It's YouTube. For we Codex didn't perform well with WordPress sites I'm building. Only Claude was able to do cast consistently. Agreed. I've found Claude is the only one that can do WordPress too. There we go. Now we have the sub agents. It works for you now. What? I'm just trying. I'm trying Ultra, not Ultra, whatever this thing's called, anti-gravity. If this is bad UI, it's either overloaded or I don't know. Why use Gemini 3 Pro low? Because high just keeps breaking, basically. It just done me a crazy website. Is that you talking about Gemini? I assume. So this is AntiGravity, guys. I'm just gonna put AntiGravity in the old YouTube's titles. How do I do that? Create, go live. So we are now testing Gemini 3 anti-gravity. I swear all that game is clicking on rocks. You fucking know it, mate. And it's beautiful. It's absolutely bloody beautiful. Gotta keep clicking on the rock. Click the rock. I'm seeing a lot of examples of really impressive apps and websites too. Strange the results you got. I don't know, man. I feel like people on X just bullshit. Hey, Rowan, how you doing? Is that M4 so smooth? What's your RAM? Whatever the mid-level RAM is, I can't remember. I can't actually remember. Yeah, I hate X. What is the right-hand side tab? Is it Copilot? No, this is AntiGravity, which is Google's new IDE, which we're hoping will actually produce something of some amount of quality. Yeah, we got overloaded again, so I'm just going to keep writing continue every time I get overloaded. Overloaded. So how's Gemini 3 or should already ditch Codex? Lol, I'm not sure. Thoughts on the new Google ID? I'm testing it right here, right now. We'll see it in a second. Oh, it seems like it's already building. Is it building? No. So I'm kind of doing a side-by-side comparison of Gemini CLI, not Gemini CLI, sorry, the newest, what's it called? Wait, let me just do this real quick, guys, sorry. I'm testing AntiGravity versus Claude Code right now. Very interesting stuff. Tithe Farm. No, not Tithe Farm. Nightmare Zone. What is the difference between Stripe, Paddle, and Shopify? Should you only use one of them? Yeah, you should only use one of them. I would use Stripe if you're new to dev, or Paddle. Shopify is not relevant to the conversation. It's something completely different. I can't really say what the difference is. It's kind of hard to. It's like saying what's the difference between an apple and orange. Shopify is completely different. But Paddle and Stripe are the same thing. And it's not a stupid question. There is no such thing as a stupid question. Except why Fletch? That's a stupid question. If you know, you know. Okay, I mean, this looks decent, right? I'm not. It looks okay. But, I mean, who's going to win here? Can't sign in. To what? It's not a stupid question, don't worry. If you're new to web dev, a lot of people will tell you that your questions are stupid, but you need to ignore them. Maybe what I would advise you to do is use ChatGPT for those questions. Big Toasty. ChatGPT is great as a guide. I have faith for Gemini 3.0 and AntiGravity with hotfixes. I agree. That's why I'm testing it. I refuse to believe that it's that bad. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like if it's that bad, oh god, I'd be so disappointed. I'm really hoping it's not as bad as it seemed before, and that it was just overloaded, or whatever. I mean, there are probably 500 million to a billion people trying to use this model, so let's see how many credits it's used already on OpenRouter. 96.5 million, and it was only released, however long ago. It was released very, very recently. Activity. Let's see. Yeah, 420 million already. That's crazy work. Almost a billion tokens in what, like a couple of hours. Hi, I joined late. What did I miss? So far, not much. It's been pretty disappointing so far, but we're about to test with AntiGrav. Thanks for checking with AntiGravity by Google, agentic development platform. Yep. I'm hoping that it's going to be good here. Garbled? What the fuck? Garbled? I seem to have botched the. Oh my god, here we go. I mean, almost a billion tokens already is crazy. Is it free to use Gemini ID or any usage limit? It's limited. They dropped a bomb, so many servers got confused too with my only one message on AntiGravity limited. Yeah, it's not. You're not limited. It's just overloading. You're probably not limited. The rock, my friends. I think it's because it's a preview. They see to do a lot more. Remember how 2.5 previews asked? I don't think it was. I've heard nothing about 3 other than it's being flexed as the best multimodal LLM. Seems that's their USP. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that was their USP, to be honest. I find it funny how many people are obsessed with using AI models to create goofy SVGs. Yeah, no, I agree. I don't know why people are obsessed with SVGs. SVGs, by the way, guys, Z.AI, you will not find a better model, in my opinion. Wait, 1 second, guys. Let me check something. Oh, yeah. Shit. What? Oh, okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying the stream or just the content and you want to support me or you want a little bit more help with vibe coding in general, please check out the Skool community. It's pinned in the comments or the chat, sorry. Yeah, let me know. If you do join, give me a message, shoot me a message, tell me that you joined from the stream. I would really appreciate it. It's a really good way to support me and to ensure that I can sit and do things like this all day long instead of, yeah, working, basically. Have you tried building AI agents with 5.1? I have not. Hey, Tautsvisk, how you doing? Yeah, I use 5.1 for planning, GLM 4.6 for implementation, and back to 5.1 for review fix. Nice. Good combo. This is taking quite a long time. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I need to stop drinking so much coffee, guys. Jesus. My heart's like, please stop. Okay, accept all. This seems to be actually building fairly well for once, which is nice. Thank you for tuning in, guys. It's been a really good stream. Again, I'm going to be streaming a lot probably in the coming days because I just enjoy it. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, look at that. The live streaming definitely makes a massive difference. Huge, huge difference, actually. Signed up to Skool earlier. Exciting stuff. Happy to be part of the team. Hell yeah, Oliver. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Give me a message on the Skool community if you want. How is Gemini doing? We're about to see. Okay, this looks good. 223 pages. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Let's see if this is any good. 44, page on TSX. Okay, right. Get the project running. Let's see. Let us see. What is AntiGravity? AntiGravity is Google's IDE, so rip cursor, by the way. Okay, let's see. This is the build. Is this going to be trash? Okay, it's not great. It's not great. It's not great. It's okay. It's not terrible. It's not great. If you want us to do SVG, don't tell AI to make an SVG. Tell ChatGPT to make an icon image with transparent background and convert the image into SVG. 1,000 times better. I have the Google Pro version. It was a special offer for students, free for 1 year until November the 4th. I just hope Gemini 3 would be good for UI. ATM, most AIs can code. It's just the UI that's the problem. Is this VS Code? No, it's AntiGravity. Is Gemini CLI free to use or any usage limit? There's usage limits. Okay, so first things first, the colors are perfect. Okay, so there's no actual color problems here, which is a pretty good improvement. Is that an animation? Is that moving? No, I swear that was moving. Oh yeah, no, there's a little animation there. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is not a good build. I'm not gonna try and fucking spin anything here. This is not a good build. Technically, like the technical build here is good, okay, but yeah, it's not a good build. I mean, it's decent. It's decent. It's definitely better than certain models. Let's see. Okay, so let's see the difference here. Get the project running. Okay, let's compare this to Claude Code's build. Okay, so this is localhost 3004. Technically, the build, like the technical build is really good here, but I mean, this is Claude Code's version. Like, honestly, Claude Code's is better, literally. Honestly, this is way better. I much prefer Claude Code's. I don't know what you guys think. Yeah, I will try that. I'll give it one more chance. What do you guys think? Which one's better, in your opinion? Give me your honest opinion. Which one is better? Why is that in Italian? It should be in English. Oops. I don't know. What do you guys think? Which one's better? This is Claude's. Some of the things don't work. So there's like there's like a mix here, right? There's the technical build. The technical build is better um on Google, but I would say the UI UX is actually better. Let's just give. I think you can do even better. Make the UI UX perfect and make it even more aesthetically pleasing, please. Is this Claude Code once you showed the Opus version or Sonnet 4.5? It's Sonnet 4.5. It's just the classic Sonnet. Honestly, Sonnet did a better job. I don't know what the hell is going on. Both basic but out of the box would Claude would be faster to make it nice. Yeah, true. I don't know. Honestly, I really thought that this was going to be significantly better, but it's literally not. Yeah, I think technical is important too. Honestly, I do think technical is important. I think a lot of people are looking for UI UX though, so I'm really not sure what to think. Can you tell it to use some images? It's going to cook now with this prompt. We'll see. We'll see. We'll let it run. We'll let it run. Still, I am definitely disappointed. You can make Gemini 1 nice too. Just need more time to mess with it. Probably. Okay, Bilal, I understand what you're saying. I thought you used to. Yeah, I did used to provide images, but I stopped because it should be able to do something without images, in my opinion. Let me just show you something. Okay, Bilal, you're saying that generic prompts, blah blah blah, right? You can literally see here Is it here? Maybe not. Wait. Uh, um, was it DeepMind? Yeah. Where is the news about DeepMind? See if I can actually find it. Wait, here. No. Look, it literally says with less prompting, right? So a generic prompt should not give something bad. That is what they're saying here. You get what you need with less prompting. It's fine, Bilal. It's fine to have your opinion, but this isn't my opinion. This is what they're saying. This is what Google is saying. Google is saying even with a generic prompt, right, less prompting, you should get what you want. That's just not the case, is it? Right? We just did two generic prompts. One generic prompt in Claude and one generic prompt in Google, right? And Google's generic prompting was worse, and that's not what they're saying here. It's state of the art in reasoning, built to grasp depth and nuance, whether it's perceiving the subtle clues in the creative idea or peeling apart the overlapping layers of a difficult problem. Gemini 3 is much better at figuring out the context and intent behind your request, so you get what you need with less prompting. Where's the evidence of that? I'm not seeing the evidence of that. I'm seeing the opposite, to be honest with you. I can create nice UI with any IA, just need proper design, system planning, etc. I mean, yeah, that's pretty standard. Like, I know how to get good UI UX. What I'm saying is, these companies are claiming, consistently claiming, to be able to deliver good UI UX with less prompting, and it just doesn't seem to be the case, right? How is it? I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest with you, so far. I won't lie, I'm pretty disappointed. Making a few apps through Cursor, but wanted to muck about making a web game. Stack advice, since you have a lot of experience. LLM's any good with game engine code? I mean, I'm probably the wrong person to ask about games, to be honest with you. I don't actually have that much experience with games. I wish I did. Bilal, I wasn't flaming you. I was just saying I'm kind of flaming Google through you. What's that game you have? You made it. No, it's OSRS. It's old school RuneScape. It's like one of the oldest fucking games in the world. Yeah, I'm just sick of being lied to by AI companies. They always say, "Oh, now you can get what you want with low prompting," and then you do low prompting, and yeah. What are you disappointed in? Yeah, the quality of the code, or not the quality of the code, the quality of the design. I was expecting the design to be much better. I wish I made old school RuneScape. Jagex is $1 billion company. Oh, that's some problems here. I think AI companies should stop promoting this one-shot prompting. They should spend more time explaining. Agreed. Damn, and we waited so long. I checked every day and waited. Now this. Give it a couple more days, honestly. I don't think it's over just yet. It's over. I don't think it's over just yet for Google. I think probably in a couple of days we'll be able to see an improvement, I would guess. They stressed about the planning phase. How has that been for you? I didn't even plan. Again, I am a firm believer that when a company says something, they should prove it with their ability, right? And like I said, they've said that you should get something good with less prompting, right? It's literally right here. You get what you need with less prompting. So where is that? I'm not seeing the evidence of that. Agreed, a lot of smoke and mirrors, haven't played with 3 yet. Well, web designers lives another day, lol, yeah, true. For that reason, Claude skills got invented to get outstanding results. Logic, I commented about the generic prompt stuff. I haven't even used skills. I don't need skills, honestly. I can get what I need done without skills, personally, but I understand why people use skills. I personally just use memory instead. That's just how I get things done. So else is considered preview. I'm guessing by December it should be better performance, but I guess we'll see. I think that's cope though, because I just think that's cope personally. Okay, looks like we're linting. Pointed by this a few years ago, or like 3 years ago. Literally 2 years ago, this would have blown the fucking socks off us, and now we're like, what a load of shit. Did you try anti-gravity? This is anti-gravity. Okay, let's see. Mm, not bad. Still not amazing. Definitely better. Still not amazing. I still can't click these places, which is kind of annoying. Is it good? I just came in. We're not 100% sure yet. I use skills for teaching Claude niche things like GSAP and other web design things it tends to struggle with. Helps immensely. Interesting. I still have hopes for Nana Banana 2. Yeah, I'm hoping so too. Any idea when it will be available for Pro? Is it only available through the API? We're not 100% sure just yet. The animations are good, nice touch. Was it any good in CLI Rukilo? No, it was terrible. Complete waste of money, to be honest with you. I wasted about $30, so you don't have to waste that money yourselves. I do like this. This is definitely an improvement. Nice animation here. Really, really nice UI UX. Good animations here. Contattaci. The Italian is perfect. It's definitely an improvement. I have to say, it's definitely an improvement. This isn't that bad. This is kind of cooking. Yeah, why is it so empty? I do agree with that. Yeah, 30 Jesus, I know, yeah. Rip $30. It does have specific instructions. If I show you the prompts, guys, just so you know, just in case you were wondering what the prompt actually is. The prompt does, by the way, this is my school community. Feel free to join the school community, guys. The prompt here does say here, read this bit here, okay? This is a very good question. Why is it so empty? For service plus location pages, try your best to create a modular. You can use SVG icons to make this work. Set up with at least 5 to 7 different vertical unique blocks. Where is that? So let's just go on a specific page. Wait, now that's just fucking disappeared for some reason. Rip. Hello? What the hell is going on? Wait. Good. Let me just jump here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's completely fucked up the prompt. 5 to 7 different unique vertical blocks. If I actually go to the website, by the way, this is the official website, right? You can see if I go to services, for example, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 vertical blocks, right? This was made by Claude Sonnet 3.7, right? Bro, I had to go back and double check. Don't mean to be nosy, but how's your AdSense only paying you $800 for all your views in the AI dev niche? That's a robbery. I'm mad for you. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. They used to pay me about 3,000 a month for the same amount of views that I'm getting now, but for some reason, no idea why, they just decided to fucking fuck me over, basically. So yeah, fuck Google. Performance in A/B tests and design arena look more impressive. I mean, that's just how it works, right? There's the tests before the model's released, and then there's us actually testing the model. So what you're seeing now, I appreciate that, by the way, Carlos. It's true. I should be getting 3,000 a month. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I did something, but 3.7 was a nice model. I agree. Yeah, this is 3.7. You can see this followed the prompt extremely well. Now, obviously, this did have a little bit of vibe coding to it, but still, you can just see this is significantly better than Gemini, right? Which is crazy. This was Sonnet 3.7 for fuck's sake. It just absolutely is not following the prompt at all. I'm not sure why. They literally say as well that it should follow prompts better and you should get what you want. So this is Claude. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, Claude is still better, guys, honestly. I honestly genuinely believe Claude is still better. That's crazy. I'm disappointed, honestly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, Claude is still better, which is not what I expected to be saying, to be honest with you. Where's my shitty... 1, 2, literally 2, crazy. 1, 2, 3. FFS, I don't want to go back to Claude. F their limits. Yeah, true. True. I don't know what to say, guys. I thought this was going to be a stream about how amazing Gemini 3 was, but now I just want to go upstairs and cry because this is not that good at all. The technical build is there for sure. So I have a feeling that the way to do this is do the technical build with Gemini and then do the UI UX or whatever with Claude. Is the Claude example for Claude Code? Yeah, it is from Claude Code. I did it live. You can see it here. This is the end of it. What the hell is Google doing? That's an interesting decision. I didn't read the rest of that, so I shouldn't have just randomly read that part of the conversation, but there you go. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm right? This doesn't seem that good, to be honest with you. Very disappointing. Which one do you think's better? The random Claude Code example that took less time, or the really in-depth example from Gemini? Gemini was never that good with UI. It was at one point. I remember it was one of the best. Gemini 2.5 Pro was amazing at UI. This definitely has something to it, right? I'd say Gemini CLI is what's holding it back. The actual model might be better. I actually used their brand new AntiGravity to build this, so yeah. Opus 4.5 is going to cook. Yeah, when are Anthropic going to release a new model, please? All I care about is Anthropic, honestly. I've never once had any reason to use any other model. Saw another video, it one-shotted some complicated web apps, though. I just never know with those videos, like, how do we know it was a one-shot? How do we know that? Because, I mean, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I've done that before. I've done it where I'm making a video, it didn't work, I've spent 4 hours fixing it, and then being like, there we go, guys. I mean, I have actually done that myself. There was a specific reason for it. I can't remember what the fuck the reason was, but so yeah, just be careful with videos because you can pause a video whenever you want. So October 15th, 19th. So what was that? 2 weeks, a month. It was live prompted. You can still pause a recording though. But yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but anti-gravity lacking probably too, yeah, potentially. I didn't see the video of Bilal. If you tell me the YouTuber, I'll check it out. But I mean, you just don't know if people are pausing recordings, right? Unless it's a live stream, in which case it's impossible. But if it's a video, then you can just pause the recording. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I really had high hopes for this. I'm very much disappointed, but it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, I think I'm going to leave the stream there. Thank you so much for tuning in. Greg Eisenberg. I'm not going to say anything. If I speak, I'm in trouble. One thing is seeing how a model tool does at the start of the project, and how it performs later in development when you're building on top of existing features, etc. Very true. Claude is not very good at building on top of existing features. Hoping this can do better in the later stage of the process. That's a good point. That is a very good point. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I think I'm going to leave the stream there just because how's Gemini been? Disappointing for sure. I'm going to leave the stream there, guys. I'll probably be back tomorrow again. I'm really enjoying streaming, as you can probably tell by the amount that I'm streaming. If you see that I'm not streaming or haven't streamed for a couple of days, please leave me a comment and tell me to fucking come back and stream. If you do join the Skool community, or if you're considering joining the Skool community, you'd be doing me a big favor. So definitely consider joining. And if you do join, definitely shoot me a message or tell me that you joined from the stream. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good rest of your nights, or if you're just waking up, have a good day. Get some building, guys. Get some building going. Maybe with Claude Code, though, instead of Gemini. And I'll be back on tomorrow. Thank you so much.